In the fields where no children play, someone appears, someone with wicked ways, armed with a meat hook and a fish fillet. Inspector Spooky, USDA. Hey, watch it. What do you think will happen? Hey, look out, take it. This is not your lucky day. Giving birth to a bovine baby, great a feel, and I don't mean maybe. Completed. Inspector Spooky still